Thing of the week, thing of the week, it's your ink thing of the week. Yeah! Hello there. The search for the perfect stylus continues, and today's episode we're going to focus on the Samsung Tab S9 stylus. This is the cheapest in terms of price stylus that I've ever reviewed, so will it also have the quality to hold up on the list? Let's go find out. Alright, let's take a look at the Samsung Tab S9 stylus, and here it is, a fairly traditional design, just generally a pretty standard black shaft. It does have a flat edge, and there is a magnet on that edge. They've got the logo here. Try to get that into more focus. There we go. Nicely done at the edge. It looks like there might be an eraser at the end, but there isn't. That groove there is just an aesthetic styling point. However, there is an eraser button, and you can see that there. This button is flush with the rest of the shaft, so as you're holding it and you're turning it around, it's not always easy to know that you're on top of the button. We'll just do a quick sound check here. All right, fairly standard, a little quieter than some of the other nibs, but nothing particularly notable. And again, of course, the sound can change based on the film that you're writing on and the nib itself. So just wanted to give a sense of what the sound was from the nib that it comes with, but that's certainly something that can change if you wanted it to. And we'll see the eraser in action. So pretty good. So a fairly nice basic fundamentals stylus. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see how this thing scores. All right, we're going to start with cost, and this is actually where this stylus excels over any of the others that I've ever reviewed because it's the cheapest. It lists around $20. Very inexpensive. That's a solid 3 points for that. The button eraser is nice. However, because it's flush with the screen, with the stylus rather, it's sometimes difficult to kind of pick it up. So it gets 1 point because of that. It doesn't have an end cap eraser, but it does have a side magnet, which is pretty good. It's not quite as strong as, say, with a Books or a Remarkable or those types of styli. It is stronger than the Kingwright though, but I'm still going to give it a 1 point overall. And then there's nothing particularly special about it, so the result is a total of 5 points. Let's go ahead and go to the scoreboard and see how that stacks up. So 5 points puts the Samsung Tab S9 in the middle and around some really well-regarded company with the Lamy and the Staedtler. It definitely deserves to be here. It doesn't have the style of those styli that it's ranked with, but its cost, the cheapest on this list, makes it definitely worth considering because it's still a great stylus functionally. So it's not just cheap, it's a well-made stylus as well. And certainly, if you were to lose this stylus and you needed to replace it, the replacement cost would be pretty nominal. So good job for the Samsung Tab S9. Definitely, probably the best stylus to consider if you are budget conscious. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.